Here it is, the Cliox temperature water bottle. On the packaging, they have shown the black one, but I ordered the white version. Up front, it's clearly marked 500 ml. Turning it to the side, we have got some interesting details. 12 hours of temperature holding time, 500 days of battery life. The other side has some designs and extra info about the bottle and cap. But let's skip that and get straight into the unboxing. Out of the box, the white Cliox bottle looks sleek. The cap is touch sensitive and just by tapping at the top, the display lights up, showing the temperature. It's impressively accurate. There's also an indicator light, green for room temperature, orange when it's warm, and red when it's hot. I'm still not sure if it turns blue for cold water though. I tested it with 10 degrees Celsius water and it was still green. The front features a golden deer artwork and adds a nice touch of elegance. There are some safety instructions at the bottom. Nothing major. Inside it's stainless steel. And yes, it's a vacuum flask. It also comes with a small removable filter plate. It's got a handle, but honestly, it feels a bit unnecessary. Visually, the bottle is beautiful. I've been using it for 3 months now, and while the design is nice, the golden print has started to fade. The outer shell isn't completely scratch proof either, though it's much more durable than the black version, where the paint wears off easily. And about the battery, despite the 500-day claim, mine stopped working after a few weeks away. I suspect the display kept turning on and drained it. That's the Cliox temperature water bottle. Solid design, but with a few imperfections. Thanks for watching.